The wait is over mga V! Pwede na makivibe sa newest and hottest OPM countdown show only in TV5.
Premiere with a bang! Sa pilot episode ng Vibe, simula pa lang all-out performances na mula kina Vibe Jacks Dylan, Joel, Pinay, Ryle, Elijah, Paolo, Kish, Ana, and Maxi. May nagpasiklab sa dance moves at mayroong ding nagpabilib sa husay sa pagkanta. Nag-jam din ang ilang OPM artists gaya ng Tropical Depression, Mayonnaise, Heijun at Asia's timeless diva na si Dulce. Kaya naman on the roof ang energy, hindi lamang ng Vibe Jacks kundi pati ng live studio audience.
It's very successful. I'm very happy and I'm very honored to be part of the Vibe family. And this is just the beginning. This is just the start. For sure, next week and a couple of weeks ahead, sobrang mas magiging interesting and more exciting pa yung mga ganap namin dito. Araw-araw po tayo, Mondays to Sundays, abangan niyo po yun.
Ilan sa mga nakivibe sila MediaQuest Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan at MediaQuest President and CEO Jane Jimenez Basas. Game na game silang nakisaya at all praises sa naging resulta ng pilot episode.
I'm very, very happy. It lived up to our vision. We wanted it to be fun. We wanted it to be young. We wanted the guests, young and old, to feel the vibe. You know, the ones that performed were out of votes from the public.
Habang sa MQuest Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan, umaasang magiging daan ng vibe sa muling pagbuhay ng original Filipino music.
And I hope it creates a movement, a new movement to revive OPM, which I think we badly need to develop consciousness amongst the Filipinos about original Filipino music. And I hope also it feeds into offshore market, no? So that the international people can appreciate Filipino music.
Maging ang nagbabalik TV5 na si Mr. M o Johnny Manahan, satisfied sa naging premiere lalo na sa positive feedback ng audiences.
Wonderful. Yeah, para kami ng concert. Ang tagal namin hindi gumawa ng ganito. But ang galing ng mga tao ni Pete. Well, thanks to MVP also.
Makikitang nilapitan pa ni MVP si Mr. M upang personal na batiin at puriin ang buong Vibe team.
Better than I expected, actually.
Mapapanood na ang Vibe araw-araw, live every Sundays tuwing 6:45 PM, Vibe TV tuwing Sabado at Vibe Up and Vibe Nights naman kada weekdays. Kung gusto mong mapanood live sa Vibe ang paborito mong OPM artist, i-vote mo na ang kanilang OPM anthems. Mobile journalist Jas Paredes po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.